Hey folks, let's continue our MongoDB series, and in this video we are going to talk about MongoDB shell. So without further ado, let's start. If you haven't downloaded MongoDB shell, then I will provide this link in the description, so kindly download it from that link. After downloading, you will see this kind of icon and press enter, and this is our MongoDB shell. It will look like this, and let's type here mongo sh, and it will provide all the information related to our MongoDB. Also, let's say show DBS. So this will provide all the database information. This is admin table. This is admin database. This is my name. This is configuration. This is Ninjago. This is Pisa School. So all the databases is here. You can also play around it. So let's say I have this databases and I want to switch to to-do app. So I will provide this use, and I will provide the name of the database. So use to-do app. Now I want to check which database I'm pointing. So let's provide here TP, and you will get the name of the current database. Also, let's say show collections, and you will see the collection which is currently pointed database is having. So this is MongoDB Compass, and you can see all the databases is listed here. Now let's go to to-do app, and you can see this is two collections. First one is to-do, second is users. Let's click on users, and this is the data of users. Also, MongoDB Compass is providing Mongo SH inbuilt. So let's say this is show, let's say show DBS, and you can see all the database information in internal Mongo SH. Also, let's say I want to use, let's say to do app, and press enter, and you can see switch to DB to do app. Also, you can type here show collections, so you can see tools and users. So that's how we can use MongoDB Compass. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.